tested the speed coming right out of this Saker, and I got 75 miles per hour, and then I tested to see how loud it was at an arm's length away, and I was getting 86 decibels, so not the loudest, but also not the quietest leaf blower. You may want to put some ear protection. But I did find multiple uses for this leaf blower that it's much easier to use this than my big leaf blower, so let me show you what they are. The first thing that I found was blowing off my patio. Might sound like something crazy, but getting my leaf blower out, it's normally in the garage, have to go and get it, but we've got people coming over, I could just easily get this Saker Plus, blow off the patio, and we're good to go. While we're at the patio, we've got these stones around the edge, and I have put rock glue down in the past on my front yard. I haven't put rock glue down yet, but this Ryobi will blow the rocks. Saker Plus, it won't. It has good air volume and good air speed, but it just doesn't blow the rocks because it doesn't have that much power, but it will clear the leaves and sticks and twigs, whatever else was on the stones off, but not move the stones. So that's really handy, something that my other leaf blowers just can't do with a lot of ease. I think it's because they're much closer to the ground than this. Maybe that, also combination of the airflow and the air speed. While we're outside in the backyard, clearing off my lawnmower. Now, my big leaf blowers are great for that, but sometimes just having something easy to get to, you can actually get underneath the lawnmower a little bit better with this guy than the big one, and it did a good job of clearing everything off. I was able to get under the seat as well and get the air blower right into where it needed to be to actually clear out the grass from there, because I like to clear the grass out from my lawnmower because an old neighbor of mine, his lawnmower went up in flames because he didn't clear the grass off it, and I don't want that to happen to mine because it's an expensive lawnmower. So if you want to get one of these Saker Pluses, I'll leave it linked in the YouTube shopping tab below. Another application I found this good for was clearing off my woodworking projects. After you sand, there's a lot of dust. Now you can vacuum that up, you can get a tack cloth, you can wipe it down, and I did all of that. But just getting rid of all the dust beforehand, I was able to use the Saker to blow all the dust off of the woodworking project and the area around it, so then it was nice and clean and tidy before I started wiping everything down. Just makes it a little bit easier. Other uses for this that I haven't really tested yet are starting fires. You need to get some air into your fire. I have a really good method for building my fire, so I don't really need to add extra air, but maybe you don't have a good method, or you do need to add a little bit extra air. This would be really good for that. Clearing snow off your car, if you get a really light dusting, this would work really well for that. And likewise, if you're into car detailing, using this to get the water off of your car after you've detailed it, it worked really well for getting the water off the back of my truck here, because, you know, sometimes you don't want the watermarks on your truck, but I personally get my truck washed, so I don't need to worry about that. And speaking of the truck, getting into the truck bed to blow out the truck bed with one of these larger leaf blowers, a little bit cumbersome, and especially if you've got a backpack leaf blower, that's even harder. But having this little guy here, I was able to get right into the corner and blow everything out. Really should have a dust mask on and something to protect my eyes because dust was just flying everywhere. But I was able to clear out the truck bed with ease using the Saker Plus. So we'll go back to my original questions at the start of this video. What do you use this for? Are they any good? And then is it a worthwhile addition to your tool collection? Well, the answer is yes, it is a worthwhile addition to your tool collection. Is it worth the money? 100%. And what do you use it for? Everything I just showed you in this video. So if you want to get one of these Saker Pluses, I'll leave it linked in the YouTube shopping tab below.